Zhejiang Yangfan New Materials Company Limited is a company with nearly 40 years of history, A-share ChiNext Board listed company in China. 3 manufacture bases located in Shangyu, Zhejiang Province, Pengze, Jiangxi Province, Alxa, Inner Mongolia, respectively. Yangfan New Materials specializes in R&D, production and sales of UV curing new materials and sulfur-based fine chemical products. Yangfan New Materials and Shou&Fu Chemical are the company's self-owned brands. The UV curing new materials, such as photoinitiator 907, 184, 1173, and TPO, etc., have been widely used in the formulation of various photo-curing products, which initiate light-curing photopolymerization reactions with radiation of specific wavelengths of UV light. It features high curing rates when applied in coatings, inks, and adhesives, etc., which can cure within milliseconds to seconds. This technology is also widely used in the products of the optoelectronics industry, such as photoresist, printed circuit board, flat panel display, communication instrument, and electronic components, as well as printing, packaging, advertising, building materials, decoration, sports, health and medical industries, etc. The organosulfur fine chemical products, apart from being used as raw materials for photoinitiators, are also widely used in pharmaceuticals, pesticides, dyes, electronic chemicals, etc. The unique properties of the sulfur atom endow its wide application in API of pharmaceuticals, pesticides, etc. Also, it can enhance the refractive index of optical materials. The company's 2 main product lines have strong supporting and elongation relationship for each other, enhance and form the core competitiveness of up and downstream of both product lines. Thus make the company a rare producer of fine chemicals whose product lines cover the whole industrial chain. Yangfan New Materials emphasizes R&D, innovation, technical collaboration, and high-level talent introduction. And with years of effort, the company has developed more than 100 photoinitiators and more than 500 Mercapto-based products. It owns several patents for invention, utility model patents, and many achievement certifications and awards. Scientific and technological innovation is the constant driving force to the company. In addition to meeting the needs of the domestic market, the company also exports products to major international markets in North and South America, Europe, Australia, and Southeast Asia, becoming a major supplier to many internationally well-known companies. With its products widely used in various industries such as construction, agriculture, medical, daily chemicals, and garment, Yangfan New Materials is making life greener, more efficient, and beautiful. With years of efforts, Yangfan New Materials has made many achievements and received multiple honors, which would be impossible without the persistent efforts and long-lasting commitment of Yangfan team and Yangfan's own corporate culture. The company's core values are creating wealth with benevolence and realizing personal value while benefit others, which takes benevolence as the core. And being benevolent means that we need to have a kind heart to others in the first place, how to behave well and how to treat others. Creating wealth is a mission, which is shared by the society, company, and its employees. Self-fulfillment is an ultimate driving force which is fundamental for everyone's personal success. Everyone wants to be successful, to express their personal values. Benefiting people is a responsibility. Those working for Yangfan should have grateful hearts to other people's help and take care of those in need. The company has also remained dedicated in public charity. The cumulative expenditure has reached more than RMB 60 million, benefiting more than 20,000 people. With the fully sky-reach sails, we will ride the wind, break the waves, and traverse the vast sea. From self-reliance to self-important, from manufacture to innovation, the company is committed to becoming an outstanding supplier for UV curing new materials and systemic application solution provider worldwide. It also develops and manufactures fine chemical products, especially sulfur-based products for our customers. writing corporate legends with efforts and creating a better future with high-quality products, Yangfan New Materials will ride the wave and sail to a bright future.